This 5-minute solution will show you how to turn off Erase iPhone after 10 failed passcode attempts. So if you turn on Erase iPhone after 10 failed passcode attempts, your iPhone all data will be erased after 10 failed passcode attempts. So to turn off this feature, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter here your passcode, scroll down, and you will get Erase data option here. All you have to need to disable Erase iPhone after 10 failed passcode attempts, disable Erase data option, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.